Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to get Midjourney promo codes and discount. So guys, go to Google and search on Midjourney promo codes as you can see here, and you can go to this website called Grappon, and this is good website guys. You can get deal and discount and this website as you can see here. I will get this offer and this promo code, boom, as you can see here. This is a good website guys, you can use to get promo codes, and you can save money by using this promo coupon codes. And the second website guys called the alert spot. This is also a good website as you can see here. You can save up to 20% of discount on Midjourney, and you can click just activate deals and you can see this promo code, and this is a good website also guys. I hope this video guys helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Don't skip, like, share this video.